What's up guys, it's me or Geek. So here are the top 5 Motorola Moto E4 Plus case. The number 5th case is from Dratel, a simple soft TPU case. Wow, look at it. And number 4 case is from Yokoan, a simple, really very soft TPU case. I mean a crystal clear TPU case, which means you can easily wash it, not in the washing machine with your hand. And number four is from Nagabi. It comes with a free screen protector, but it is a heavy duty defender case. I love it. Just get in black, much better. And number two case is from Lego. I really like the bumper style. I really love the abstract style. I mean, it comes with like don't touch my phone, love tree. Personally, I just love the gear wheel, I mean abstract style. And number one is from Circle Mall, a simple beautiful case. If you work in any kind of industry where you require to attend call fast, then just get this case. It comes with a build stand, also it comes with a belt holster. So it was me, G Miyagi. These were the top 5 Motorola Moto E4 Plus case. Bye.